Hello, tech enthusiasts and photography lovers. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the most exciting and perhaps revolutionary leaks surrounding Apple's next flagship device, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And trust me, if these rumors are true, mobile photography as we know it is about to change forever. We're talking about the first ever DSLR-level camera in an iPhone. Yes, you heard that right. A DSLR-level camera. Let's unpack what this could mean for your pocket, your photos, and the entire smartphone industry. For years, smartphone cameras have been chasing the quality of dedicated DSLRs and mirrorless cameras. While they've made incredible strides, there's always been a physical barrier, sensor size and lens optics. But the whispers from Cupertino suggest Apple might finally be shattering that barrier. With the iPhone 18 Pro Max, the biggest lead points to a significantly larger main sensor, potentially approaching or even matching the 1-inch sensors found in high-end compact cameras, which is a massive leap for a smartphone. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about light-gathering capabilities, dynamic range, and natural depth of field. Imagine capturing stunning portraits with creamy bokeh directly from your phone, without relying solely on software tricks. Beyond the main sensor, sources indicate a complete overhaul of the entire camera system. We could see a new generation of telephoto lenses, possibly with variable aperture, or even a periscope design offering unprecedented optical zoom. The ultra-wide lens is also rumored to get a significant upgrade, improving low-light performance and reducing distortion. And for video creators, the iPhone 18 Pro Max is expected to push boundaries even further. Think 8K ProRes video recording, enhanced cinematic mode with more granular control, and perhaps even new stabilization technologies that rival professional gimbals. This isn't just about taking better photos. It's about empowering creators with tools previously reserved for dedicated camera setups. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just about its camera. The design itself is rumored to see some refinements. While the overall aesthetic might remain familiar, expect a more streamlined look, possibly with an even smaller dynamic island or perhaps even under-display Face ID technology, leading to a truly uninterrupted screen experience. New materials for the frame and back glass could also be on the cards, offering increased durability and a more premium feel. The display itself is expected to be brighter, more color-accurate, and with even more efficient promotion technology, making everything from scrolling to gaming incredibly fluid. Under the hood, the next generation series chip will undoubtedly power the iPhone 18 Pro Max, promising unparalleled performance. This isn't just about faster app launches. It's crucial for processing those massive camera files, running advanced AI features, and delivering console-quality gaming on the go. Battery life is always a top concern, and with these powerful new features, we anticipate significant advancements in battery technology and potentially faster charging speeds to keep you powered throughout your day, even with heavy usage. Finally, let's talk about software and AI. iOS will, of course, be optimized to take full advantage of the new hardware. We could see new AI-driven photography features that go beyond simple scene recognition, perhaps offering real-time editing suggestions, advanced object tracking, or even generative AI capabilities directly within the camera app. The integration of on-device AI is expected to deepen, making your iPhone even smarter and more personalized. So, what do you think? Are these leaks enough to get you excited? For the iPhone 18 Pro Max, a DSLR-level camera in your pocket could truly be a game-changer for mobile photography. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more in-depth tech analysis and future iPhone updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.